Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a decorate with me video. This is a Valentine's themed video. Did I just say Valentine's? Valentine's Day video. And it's a collaboration put together from Carol from My Blessed Nest. I will link her channel down below in the description box, as well as a playlist of everybody participating. I know already that there are a number of people participating, so this is super fun. If you're into some Valentine's Day inspiration, then be sure to continue watching. Make sure you check out the playlist and Carol's video. But I am decorating my tier tray today. It is decorated for winter. You guys would have seen me decorate that, but I'm going to take it down and decorate with all the Valentine's Day stuff that I have sort of picked out of my stash. Anything red, anything pink, anything white. I have some vintage Valentines. I have stuff from the Dollar Tree. You know how it is. So anyway, I'm going to pop on some music and we will decorate the tier tray, and then I'll show you how it looks afterwards. And I think I'm also going to sort of take you around my house just in a couple little spots where I have other things that I've decorated for Valentine's Day. So let's just get decorating. Okay, this is sort of an awkward angle, but I wanted to pop on and say, last time I decorated my tier tray for winter, some people said, you know, that I decorated quickly, or that, you know, I'm not able to sort of figure all that out quickly and this sort of stuff. But I actually usually will sort of think it out beforehand and figure out where I'm gonna put everything before I film for you guys. So this time I'm going in without any idea of where things will go. So you guys can get maybe a better sense of how I move things around and sort of work at things. If it doesn't look perfect, I sort of sit with it for a little bit and see if I like it, because usually when I decorate, the first thing I think of is it's awful. But then, you know, you sit with it for a little while. You may change a thing here or two, and then you're like, okay, actually I really like it. So I'll just show you a bit more of my process this time around. Okay, so I'm sort of stuck a bit right now, and I'm not feeling inspired by anything that's sitting here, or it doesn't fit on the tray, so I may take a little bit of a break. You guys won't see that break because of the power of video, but just know that I'm a little bit stuck. And so I'm gonna take a break and see if I can't find anything else around the house, or just you know, maybe think of a different idea or something like that. So I'm taking a break. I will be back. Okay, I found some other things around the house. I found this like pinky paint chip thing. I found some sort of pinky and maroon colored thread, like on wooden spools. I could use that because it's small. The thing about this tier tray is I've had people ask me about it, and I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. I use it because I spent money on it. But I find that the space between the tiers is quite short, so I have a hard time fitting stuff on it. So just a little FYI there. But I found these. I have these pink and red vintage wooden bowling pins. They came in like a little set. So cute. The ball is like teeny tiny. It's very adorable. And then this little ceramic poodle here was a salt or pepper shaker, but it had a big chip in the front, so I just put a little heart thing there from the dollar store with some little, you know, what do you call that? Filigree? No, I forget what the word is. Anyway, a little something there just to make it a little bit Valentine's Day. And then I got some little teeny tiny pink bottle brush trees. So let's continue decorating. video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!